know what they call that.
I think that's what they call a cow ant.
You see that?
I heard it. Got the camera pointing in the wrong direction.
That's a big one too, buddy. Big tail slapper, big one.
Big old snapper slide right there.
Look here.
That's where he sets it.
Way down to the water.
Yeah, that's some snappers. Nah, that's probably coon right there.
Yeah.
Oh, coon trail. I guarantee it, we get us a couple of those leaders from the house and some nice mullen there.
Huh?
Mullen.
Yeah. Lambs here.
Yeah. We got some, oh, that's back in that corner. Those wild radishes. Looks like it.
Usually you won't even be able to tell a buck trail hardly.
Nice trail there. They just started up.
Usually the buck will crisscross that doe trail.
Yeah.
And then when he'll come out, he'll get short distance from the doe trail coming out.
Yeah, they'll mirror. This one here. Another one? Yeah, so that fresh sign over here, or over there, where those deer just came through. And this trail here. It's a real nice trail there. That way. It's a nice trail there.
Is that you and me that bumped them deer out here that day?
Yeah, that's. I don't know where that buck went to, but those two doe were smoking down the hill.
Yeah. He went out the other way and that was it.
Got some nice buck shit right there.
Yeah.
Following this creek line. I always want to put a ground blind up here, take that stand and put it in one of these trees or whatever.
Yeah. I thought about that myself. But most of your deer come this way and that wind blows right up this hollow.
Get a good crossbow spot. Sit back and watch this fence line.
Yeah, get a stand up along one of these trees here.
It's a good spot.
They'll skirt this fence a lot.
Right here off this corner.
I'll tell you, probably the best one. You just have to throw a bunch of corn down this corner down here. And like a day or two before deer season opens, or season or bow season, whatever we're going to start hunting. Take a bunch of deer food.
Yeah. I want to come up here into this cutout area. Look at the deer sign in here. It's amazing. Get away from me. Yeah. I want to start utilizing this little cutout. Back in here would be a good spot too. This is where I was going to put a bow stand up right in here. Yeah, right in here.
Back this way, see?
This is where I was going to put the camera in the feeder next time. Yeah, we still got firewood back here.